You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word. No, it's not a chemical element from the periodic table, but rather the name of a YouTube channel. How do you say it? Veritasium. Yes, it's a play on the word veritas, which is Latin for truth, and yes, many chemical elements being called sium, right, or yum at the end, uranium, vanadium. This one is Veritasium. Veritasium. For more YouTube celebrity names, make sure to stay tuned. Derek Muller, Veritasium. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.